channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, guys, good morning again. Good morning. And today's solo artist reaction is going to be IU. And yes, I had actually planned another song of hers that was so much requested. BB, that was the song that was requested. But of course, I found out that she had a comeback. She recently had a comeback. The song that I'm going to be reacting to right now is Celebrity. That's the latest song that she has just dropped. And yes, I will keep BB for a later date then. But of course, because this is the latest song, I want to react to this. And I love IU already. I've reacted to one of her songs and I listened to that song so much. Such a beautiful song. 8. Such a beautiful song. It puts me in such a, I don't know, somehow it just calms me down. That song 8, somehow it just calms me down. So yes, let's react to Celebrity by IU. I'm so excited that I'm reacting to her new song, her new comeback song. Alright, her vocals are so beautiful. Okay, let's start. Interesting name of the song. Wait. The verse okay. Oh, so it's basically about celebrity life, I think. Like how they have to project something. They have to project this persona outside, but inside they have their own struggles, which is so true. They are human beings. It's like about finding your own inner celebrity, something like that. Because at first I thought it's basically she's talking about being a celebrity, but I think she's talking about us being our own celebrities. We should consider ourselves as celebrity. Well, I'll figure out with the lyrics. I'll figure out. She looks amazing. I already know her vocals are so good, and I really like this beat drop. So I'm gonna listen to this part again, as usual. You guys have told me she's an actor also. I like what she's done with her hair. The little pink. Why does her voice put me in such a calm mood? This also is doing the same thing what 8 did to me. This is also doing the same thing. Different beat drop. Oh wow, this is a different beat drop. about herself only, basically. That's why there are two of her.
가면 돼 정선을 따라 잊지 마 이 오랜 겨울 사이 온tum으로 피어있잖아
Correct. She sees herself. Now she's seeing herself and she's saying, can't you see how beautiful and true and unique you are? Yes. Goes for all of us. We have to see ourselves as beautiful, unique, awesome person. Morning, Gyan.
얼마나 아름다울지 말야 You're my celebrity
This beat drop is so beautiful. Look at her outfit. She looks like a princess.
celebrity You're my celebrity
Edom Entertainment. Okay, that's the label that she's with. Edom Entertainment. Wow. See, I've already. This song has also put me in such a calm mood. Okay, let me stop this first. Na, 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 na. Wow. This is, this is something. This song already it has put me in a calm mood, and this is such a comfort song. This is such a comfort song because as celebrities, or even not as celebrity, of course it is important, but generally also in our life, we always try that there are points in our life where we are trying to meet other people's expectations, what they expect from us. Our teachers expect something from us, our parents expect something from us, our friends expect something from us. What we forget what we are expecting from ourselves. I think like so we are also celebrities. We are sort of celebrity also because we are also meeting expectations of so many people in our life, and that's what a celebrity life is, right? So I think this is a very nice song for people who sort of struggle with finding their identity. I think this is a great song. It's a great song with the lyrics. The lyrics are actually very deeper than what in the first read. I probably also have not been able to unravel the lyrics or decode the lyrics way too much because this is just my first watch or listen. But I still feel that it goes way deeper. So I think it's a great comfort song. Her vocals are so calming. But I think more than the overall song, the message that the song is trying to give, I hope it reaches the maximum amount of people, and they find solace and comfort in the lyrics of this song. So yes, that was my reaction to the beautiful, talented IU. Her song, her new comeback song. Congratulations to her. Celebrity. What a beautiful song. What a beautiful message that she's trying to give through this song. I love it. I absolutely love it. Do share in your thoughts about this song. What you thought, liked it, didn't like it, what do you think of this comeback? I personally really liked it, especially the message that the song was trying to give. I think that sort of hit me a little more. And if I watch this again and really again look at the lyrics, I think I will be able to decode more from this song. So yes guys, that was my reaction to IU's Celebrity. I hope you've come to the end of the video. Do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.